This is 1346 high. It's starting to look a lot better. Need to either power wash or clean this off so it's whiter. Maybe paint that white. But I would paint this same color. I would paint up here throughout the whole, on the whole porch facing, and then this whole walkway to the front. Paint that all this same color. And then it doesn't look like we'll be able to get this off, so go ahead and paint this white here. Same thing over here. And these have a lot of discoloration. Paint these white as well. All four of these. Paint those white. Leave the rest of the brick all red as is, but that should clean up real nice and look really good.